Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Section 17. Come ceist no freagra. Create a question or an answer with a focus on scríbhneoireacht, writing. Come ceist no freagra. Create a question or an answer. Ag Bualadh agus curtú féin an aithne, meeting people and introducing yourself. So this section we're going to focus on writing. Up to now we've been listening and speaking and reading, and this final section we're going to put it all together and suíomh na thabhairt and write out the sentences. For this activity you will need your handout, Leathanach a Fihanach Cuaig, page 25. Come ceist na freagra. Scríobh amach an líon is mó abertí agus is féidir leat. Write out as many sentences as you can. Le ceann amháin den focailse alanas, in ngach abert, with one of the following words in each sentence. Mar hampla, conas atá tú. So use everything that you've learned over all the sections in this unit and see if you can come up with as many sentences as possible using at least one of these words in each of the sentences. And then go back and check using your notes. Obviously this is a very open-ended exercise, so go back and check to see if your spellings are correct and maybe see if there's any that you missed that you could have come up with but didn't remember. Come ceist na freagra. So this wraps up this section pretty much. Ag Bualadh agus a curtú féin an aithne, you have learned how to greet a person when you meet them, how to introduce yourself, how to ask them how they are, what their telephone number is, what their checkbook number is, the numbers 0 to 10, and we have practiced role playing. There's a handout with some review materials that we'll go over briefly in the next section, but this is pretty much the content for this first section. Ag Bualadh agus a curtú féin an aithne. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.